In this video, we show how to fix color issues in the Epson L3210 printer and similar models. In this specific printer, we had a yellow color issue. We will show you the best solution using filtering. Stay with Device Doctor.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
First, you need to print a nozzle test. This test will help you identify which inks are not printing correctly and are not showing up properly in the print. When the printer is off, press and hold Cancel and Power for 10 seconds to check the nozzle. You'll see that all the colors are printed perfectly, but unfortunately, there is no trace of yellow on the paper. Let's get started. Open the printer following the instructions in the video. Remove 1 or 2 screws from the front cover. Some models, like the 3250, may have 2 screws at the front. Use a screwdriver to remove the scanner cover and hold it in place with a screwdriver. Now, move the printer head to the center for easier access. Now, remove the printer head unit cover to access the dampers or cartridges for easier handling. Now remove the dampers one by one and filter them. Notice that the yellow damper is completely empty, which is why it doesn't print on the paper. Now, you'll need a 50cc syringe, which is easily available at health stores. This will help you filter the damper and ensure the ink flows properly. Now, following the video instructions, insert the syringe nozzle into the damper hole and pull the syringe to draw the ink inside, filling the dampers with ink. Notice that the yellow damper is completely empty. Use the syringe to vacuum air out and circulate the ink back into the damper. After filtering, place all dampers back and close the cover. Now, remove the tube that transfers waste ink to the printer's waste box. Use a syringe to extract about 5 cc of ink from the tube. Make sure the printer head is positioned over the waste system. Now place the waste tube back in its position. Now, carefully reassemble the printer and restore it to its original setup. Once it's back in place, turn on the printer and run a cleaning cycle to ensure the ink is flowing correctly. To perform a manual cleaning, press and hold the cancel button for 5 seconds. Open the ink tank valve during the cleaning process. The manual cleaning process takes about 3 minutes. Wait and ensure the printer does not turn off. Notice that the power button light is steady and no longer blinking. This means the process is complete. The filtering process is now complete. Let's run a test print to check if the yellow ink issue has been successfully resolved and the printer is working perfectly. Now, let's compare the nozzle check we took before filtering with the one we printed after filtering. As you can see, the yellow color is now fully restored and printing perfectly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Device Doctor for more useful tips and solutions.